Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will do exercise 5.2 of this coordinate geometry. In this first question, we have to answer some parts. First part is we have to name the horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. And in second part, we have to give the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines. And third part, we have to write the names of the point, name of the point where these two lines intersect. The first part, name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn, those are called as axes. And in second part, we have to name each part. Each part is called quadrant of the Cartesian plane. And in third part, the two lines meet at origin. This was question number first. After this, we will do question number second. Here, Cartesian plane is given. In this Cartesian plane, there are some positions of the points we have to find. This is Cartesian plane. Units are marked on x-axis and on y-axis. 6 units on positive x-axis and 5 units on negative x-axis. And similarly on y-axis positive and y-axis negative, distances are maintained. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On negative y-axis, some units are denoted. Now, there are some points given. For example, here is D. 6 units from x-axis and 2 units from y-axis. This is the position of D. Similarly, this is the position of B in the second quadrant. Minus 5 units on x-axis and 2 units on positive y-axis. This is the position of B. Similarly, M point is minus 3 units from negative x-axis and minus 5 units from negative y-axis. This is position of, this is M, this is E. Similarly, some other points are also given. C is given 5 units on positive x-axis and negative 5 units on negative y-axis. This is the position of C. Similarly, G is also given 2 units on positive x-axis and minus 4 units on negative y-axis. This is the position of G. Similarly, position of H, minus 3 on negative y-axis and minus 5 on negative x-axis. Minus 5 on negative x-axis. This is the position of H. Now we have to answer some parts. First part is we have to give the coordinates of B. In first part, the coordinates of B are -2 and -5. -2 and -5 and -2. -5 and +2. Sorry, -5 and +2. This is the question of -5 and +2.
Start.
In question number second, we have this coordinate plan, and in this coordinate plan, some distances are maintained on positive x-axis and negative x-axis, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Now there are some points located, for example B, D, C, L, E, H, O, G. We have to give the answers of some parts, which are 8 parts. First part, we have to give the answer of the coordinates of point B. The coordinates of point B are -5 + 2. In second part, we have to give the coordinates of point C, which are +5 and -5. +5 and -5. Similarly, in third part, we have to give the point identified by coordinates -3, -5, which is E. In fourth part, we have to give the point identified by coordinates -2, -4, which is G. In fifth part, we have to give the answer of abacis of point D, which is 6. In sixth part, we have to give the ordinate of point H, which is -3. In seventh part, we have to give the coordinates of point L, which are 0, 5. And in last eighth part, we have to give the coordinates of M, which are -3, 0.